Hello students, in previous video we have studied about adjectives. That adjectives are the words that describe noun or pronoun. Now in today's video we will study about degree of comparison. Adjectives change in their form when they show comparison. Let us see three examples here. Raju is tall. Second example, Aman is taller than Raju. Third example, Rahul is the tallest of the three. So in first example, Raju is tall. There is no comparison. Raju is tall. There is no comparison with anyone else. So such type of degree is called positive degree when there is no comparison. In second case, Aman is taller than Raju. So here Aman is compared with Raju. So there is a comparison with one other person. So Aman is compared with Raju. So this is known as comparative degree. In third example, Rahul is the tallest of the three. Now here they have compared Rahul with other two members. So if the comparison is among more than two individuals, then that type of degree is known as superlative degree. So an adjective is in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. When there is no comparison, adjective is said to be in positive degree. When there is comparison between two nouns or two pronouns, it is said to be in comparative degree. And when there is comparison between more than two nouns and pronouns, adjective is in superlative degree. Now some positive, comparative and superlative degrees of words are given here. Go through all these words. You have to learn comparative and superlative degrees of all these positive adjectives. Now remember one thing, when we use the superlative degree, we always use the superlative degree with the article the. He is the tallest boy in the class. So tallest is the superlative degree. So we are using the here. He is the tallest boy in the class. The use of older, oldest, elder and eldest are given here. One thing to remember, when in a sentence the word comes then we use older and not elder. Always we have to use older. We will never use elder. Like one sentence is given here, Rohan is older than his sister. So then is coming here. That's why we are using the word older. Rohan is older than his sister. Some examples of elder and eldest are also given. Her elder sister is a singer. And eldest, how will use? Her eldest sister has gone to Japan. In the same way for oldest, Soma is the oldest girl in our team. Now look at the first exercise given here. Identify the adjectives and name the degree of comparison of each. Jay is taller than Ravi. So adjective here is taller. Which degree? Because there is a comparison between Jay and Ravi. So it is comparative, in comparative degree. The longest lane is still closed for the public. The longest. So it is in superlative degree. The happy child played with others. So happy is adjective and it is in positive degree. Solomon was one of the wisest men. Wisest, the wisest. So it is in superlative degree. Jeet's dog has become lazy. So lazy is adjective, it is in positive degree. Mr. Sharma is wealthier than Mrs. Verma. So here there is a comparison between two. Wealthier is adjective and it is in comparative degree. Let me listen to the most important news of the most important. The most important is in superlative degree. During summer, Delhi is hotter than Kolkata. Hotter is adjective, comparison is there, so it is in comparative degree. May and June are the hottest month of India, the hottest superlative degree. Give the comparative and superlative degree of the adjectives. So you can learn and write this comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. Read the two sentences given here carefully. Anita is taller than her sister. Comparison is there. Anita is the taller of the two sisters. So this sentence can be written like this also. So you have to use these words in your own sentences, and in these two forms you have to write them. Second is, read the sentence given here as an example and frame similar sentences with the given words. Brahmaputra, the Brahmaputra is longer than the Kosi, right? So you have to use these words like this. Like one is given gold, costly, silver. So gold is costlier than silver. Cashew nuts, costly peanuts. So cashew nuts are costlier than peanuts. In the same way, you have to frame these sentences. So you have to do these exercises yourself.